In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF file to Squarespace. If you want visitors to download a brochure, a menu, or any document from your site, the simplest method is to add a button that links directly to a hosted PDF. We'll walk through this inside the page editor so you can place the link exactly where it makes sense in your layout. Start by opening the page where you want the download to live and enter edit mode. Look for the option to add a new content block in the section or column where you want the link. Choose Add Block. This opens the block library, which is where all the building elements live. From the block library, select the button block. A button is ideal because it's highly visible, accessible, and consistent with most site designs. Once the button appears on your page, double-click it. This brings up the button's settings so you can customize both what it says and where it points. Change the button text to something clear and action-oriented like Download PDF or View Document. Clear labels help visitors know exactly what will happen when they click. Next, attach the link. In the button settings, choose Attach Link to open the link panel. You'll see several link types. Select URL to view the general link options, then choose File. This tells Squarespace you want the button to point to a hosted file rather than a web address or an internal page. Click the Upload icon to add your PDF. This opens your computer's file picker. Select the PDF you want to use and confirm. Squarespace will upload and host the file for you, then automatically associate it with the button. Once the upload completes, your button is connected to the PDF and ready for visitors to use. A few helpful notes as you finalize this. Use a descriptive file name before you upload so it's easy to identify in your library later. Keep the file size reasonable for faster downloads, especially on mobile devices. If you ever replace the PDF in the future, the button can point to the updated file without changing your page layout. When you're done, glance at your page to make sure the button text reads clearly and sits in a logical spot within your design. That's all it takes. You've added a professional, clickable button that delivers a PDF to your visitors with a single tap or click. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, go ahead and apply the same approach anywhere on your site where a document download makes sense.